how we cook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another episode, guys. And today's episode is going to be all about cooking show, guys. And we are going to show you how we cook easy and faster food here, guys, in my village, in my country, in my community, guys. And we are going to show you how we cook. We are going to eat vegetables, and in Kenya they call it ugali. In Uganda we call it akaunga ka mwogo, in my language Luganda. And in English we are going to eat cassava fula, guys, with vegetables, guys, with green vegetables, red vegetables, and I can't wait to show you guys. It's really easy to cook and it's easy to prepare. So guys, if you are new to this channel, you must welcome to African SC YouTube channel. Most welcome, guys. And if you're returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. Hey, we really appreciate so much, guys. Today I am really so happy. Why? Because, guys, you're so loving. You're loving us so much, and we thank God for that, guys. Thank you very much. So, guys, this is our vegetables that we are going to add into our dish. So this is how it looks like. This is called dodo, guys. Comment below, how do you call it in your language? It's a type of vegetable also. So this is what we are going to eat for today. Today's lunch. Now this is our vegetables, and then let's prepare them. So guys, this is how we do it. This is how we clean our vegetables. So we are going to clean them like this, and we prepare them well. This is called buga in my language. And guys, comment below, how do you call it in your language, guys, in your village? Help us to learn your language. And thank you so much for watching us. So guys, like I told you, today we are going to see how we cook easy and faster vegetable food. If you are new to this channel, consider to subscribe so that you can join the family. And if you're returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. We really appreciate so much. May God bless you for us, guys. Guys, we are going to wash them properly. First, clean where. Oops. and then we are going to slice here. Like yay!
Yes.
Thank you very much
Thank you very much.
for subscribing to our channel. Thank you.
Thank you.
We are going to use, we have onions, we have tomatoes. Yeah, that is enough. And we have ghee pepper as well. Then, yeah, I think that is enough. Today we are not going to use sprouts. Yeah, let's use only these ingredients. First, let's wash. Thank you, baby. Our ingredients. Into pieces. Ella, we okay? We good? If you want to visit East Africa, Uganda, and you want to eat a very faster, easy to prepare food, guys, this is the food that you would like to. And guys, it's yummy, very delicious. So now let's pick up our firewood and we start cooking. But before cooking, we are going to organize the fire like this, guys. Ooh. organize the fire and let's light on the fire. We are going to fry our vegetables, but we are going to use a little onion and green pepper at the same time. So now let's add on the tomatoes, then we add on salt, then curry powder, cassava. So this is the water that we are going to use. It has to be boiled. So we're going to first cook the water for cassava. I cannot wait to. Let's put down there. So guys, now the ingredients here, they are ready. Yeah, they are ready. This is how they look like. So let's add on the vegetables. And then we cook the water for cassava fula. I think the Nigerian people, they call it fufu. Comment below, guys. If you come from Nigeria, comment below. How do you call cassava fula in English or in your language? I think it's fufu. Is it fufu? Fufu, yeah. So today we are going to eat fufu. Yes. In other language in Uganda, they call it chwada. So cassava fula has a lot of names, but it's tasting the same. And it's yummy. So guys, our food is ready. Now let's add to the plate like this. Looks delicious. Now let's play. Katonda omulungi tukwebaza olw'ekyokulya kyotuwadde ekitukuze n'omusaayi gwe kiwa omukisa mu Kristo Yesu omwana Katonda omulamu tusabye. Amina. Yes. So guys, you are most welcome to African Village. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for loving us. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you are new here, consider to subscribe so that you can join this family, guys. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you very much for joining the family. And we really appreciate so much. And guys, don't forget to like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Guys, we also have another package. We have super thanks and we have join membership. So guys, you can click where the join is and then you become a member. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment.